Bitcoin retraces near $30,000 ahead of option expiry. On-chain data shows Ether dominance outpacing other altcoins in the market. Shanghai Clearing House launches Digital Yuan services for commodity trading. Switzerland freezes $26 million in crypto held by Terraform Labs and DogeCoin. South Korean court rules that Bitcoin is not money and crypto is not subject to interest rate rules. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. After posting the strongest weekly gains, leading virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors looked forward to macroeconomic data for the last week of June. Bitcoin traded near $30,000 level. Manoj Dhara joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading lower by 0.7% at 40,140 points. Interestingly, NYC-based investment bank BlackRock has applied for a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund last week. Bloomberg reported that given the BlackRock status as the world's biggest money manager who is managing funds roughly $9 trillion, the filing is being taken as a sign that the SEC might finally give the green light to the spot Bitcoin ETF, analysts believe. In a positive development for the currency market, the Securities and Exchange Commission has approved the nation's first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF offered by the Volatility Shares, a Florida-based investment firm. However, the exclusion of the Bitcoin and Ethereum from a list of digital assets mentioned in the US Securities and Exchange lawsuits against the crypto exchange giants, which was then the Binance and Coinbase, followed by the spot Bitcoin ETFs, filings by the BlackRock, Invesco, and the Wisdom Tree were the three main catalysts for the markets going forward. Further, the rising jobless claims, a sign that the US central bank's hawkish monetary policy is slowing the economy, have also been encouraging. Going forward, the market participants will remain focused on the legal battles between the SEC and the crypto exchange. Last week, Coinbase won a major suit from the Supreme Court of US after the High Court ruled that the lawsuit filed by one of the exchange users couldn't provide until Coinbase defends an appeal for a lower court ruling. However, the further macroeconomic data will be in focus going forward, with the notable expectations of the personal consumption expenditure report, which is scheduled to be announced later in the week. Ethereum's dominance among the altcoins has grown or surged in the recent years using several metrics. The market share of Ethereum was 18%, trailing only Bitcoin in 2020, which has now increased to 20% this year amid the strong competition. Among the altcoins, Ethereum topped with a market share of 40.6%, leaving its closest rival, Binance BNB, at 7.2%, reports have said. While talking about the decentralized finance DeFi sector, Aave protocol recorded an impressive surge of 25% in the last 24 hours. The surge can be attributed to an overall positive sentiment in the market driven by a renewed investor interest in the cryptocurrency, especially those with the real-world applications such as Aave. Additionally, Uniswap, a decentralized crypto exchange powered by the Ethereum and governed by its native token UNI, has witnessed a 22% surge in price in the last 24 hours. However, Uniswap's increased incentives on the Optimism network have generated diverse outcomes in terms of liquidity and the DeFi sector, and hence one of the key reasons for the increase in the price. If we talk about the US stock futures, which slipped as the Wall Street looked to see if the market rally could find more momentum in the final week of June. So, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked lower 28 points or just 0.1%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures were trading lower by 0.2%. If we talk about Bitcoin, was seen trading at $30,315, down by 1.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2%, trading at $1,879. If we talk about the other altcoins, on my left, Binance BNB was trading lower by 0.8% at $237. Next on the list was Solana Sol, down by 1%, trading at $16.9. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.8% at $0.28. Next was Polygon Matic, trading lower by 1.2% at $0.66. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.3% at $0.065. Next was Shiba Inu, trading down by 2.7%. Ripple's XRP token also traded down by 2.2% at $0.48. However, Polkadot was trading higher by 0.3% at $5.2. So please keep an eye on this news that after the successful referendum, Polkadot has upgraded its Bridge Hub, which makes transactions and data from the one blockchain accessible and usable to others within the Polkadot ecosystem. The Bridge Hub promotes cross-chain capabilities within the ecosystem. And if we talk about the other altcoin, which is last on the list, was Avalanche AVAX, was trading at $13.5, higher by 0.3%.
Thank you, Manoj, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Ethereum remains the king of decentralized finance and looks set to increase its dominance as most altcoins fight a potential securities tag by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ethereum's market share has grown significantly in recent years, reaching 20% this year, surpassing only Bitcoin's 18% in 2020. With a market share of 40.6%, Ethereum is the top altcoin, trailing only BTC at 7.2%. The network has been a leader in decentralized applications and smart contracts, attracting developers and startups. With a total value logged of $24.6 billion, Ethereum dominates the TVL market share with a whopping 58%. The non-fungible token market is a major reason for Ethereum's dominance. Despite Solana and Polygon's pressure, Ethereum continues to outperform its competitors. Solana and other networks boast lower petrol fees to mint NFTs and have gained a significant market share in recent months, but Ethereum's sale volume gives it an advantage. According to CryptoSlam data, NFT sales on Ethereum reached $380 million in the last 30 days, with Polygon, BNB and Solana pulling in a total of $93 million. According to a Monday announcement by the Shanghai Clearing House, which handles bonds, interest rates, foreign exchange, credit and commodities, the services allow users to make cross-bank clearings and settlements on commodities using the digital yuan. According to Dong Dengzhen, director of the Finance and Securities Institute at Wuhan University of Science and Technology, the services could improve the security and cost effectiveness of cross-border commodity settlements as well as boost the internationalization of China's currency. The move by Shanghai Clearing House is not the first time the digital yuan has been used in commodity trading. In October 2022, Shandong International Commodity Exchange facilitated a 1 million yuan settlement on imported rubber with the digital yuan, the first digital yuan commodity trading use case in the city of Qingdao, China. Swiss authorities froze the cryptocurrency in response to requests from New York federal prosecutor and the Securities and Exchange Commission, according to Digital Asset. South Korean prosecutors also announced in April that they had discovered a significant amount of criminal proceeds associated with Terraform Labs that had flowed into a Swiss-based bank and had requested that those assets be frozen. As of publication, the Swiss Attorney General's office had not responded to Forecast's email request for comment, which was sent Monday afternoon in Asia. Terra's algorithmic stablecoin and cryptocurrency Terra Luna went bankrupt in May 2022, wiping out over $40 billion in market capitalization. Kwon is wanted in the US and South Korea, where prosecutors accuse him of fraud, securities law violations, and several other charges related to the collapse. A South Korean court had ruled that Bitcoin is not money and that interest rate rules do not apply to business transactions involving cryptocurrency. The Seoul High Court's Civil Division issued the decision in a case involving two firms, both of which were not named for legal reasons. The court ruled that because cryptocurrency is not money, it is impossible to set interest rates when lending Bitcoin and thus is not subject to national lending business laws. According to the court, the two companies signed a contract involving Bitcoin in October 2020. Company A, the first firm, was described as a fintech company that works with crypto assets. A second firm, Company B, penned a deal with the A that saw it borrow BTC 30 for 3 months. Now let's go to Manoj Thara to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
So Layer 1 blockchain Kava's price surged over 10%, bringing its current value at around $1.08. So there are several factors that can be attributed to the price surge. To begin with, it reflects the market's positive sentiment following the recent consolidation phase, as we have seen in the crypto market. Second, it indicates the increased investor interest in the Kava token. So what is Kava? It is nothing but a native token of Kava blockchain, which is a decentralized finance platform that allows users to lend, borrow and earn. So this functionality, combined with the growing popularity of the DeFi projects, is most likely to contribute to the price increase for the ecosystem going forward as well. So Kava's recent price surge indicates an optimistic futures for the token as the DeFi sector is rapidly growing. That's what the analysts have said. So recently, Kava was trading at $1.04, up with a market cap of $616 million. Next on the list, with a groundbreaking Bedrock upgrade, Optimism took a significant step towards becoming a viable Layer 2 platform, introducing numerous enhancements. The most noticeable of the enhancement was a fee reduction. So this upgrade has now been in effect for the several weeks, and Masari's most recent post emphasized the outstanding results of the Optimism Bedrock upgrade. Notably, fees have been reduced by approximately 50%, which has been accompanied by the faster deposit times. Furthermore, gas fees per transaction has been reduced by approximately 70%, establishing Optimism mainnet as the most cost-effective Ethereum Layer 2 solutions for the token swaps. Aside from the fee reduction, the Bedrock upgrade has pushed Optimism one step closer to becoming a super chain. The upgrade has a positive impact on OP. The coin was recently seen trading at $1.35, up by 0.32% in the last 24 hours, with a total market cap of $867 million. So next on the list was Bitcoin Cash, a peer-to-peer electronic system, has seen a 10% price increase in the last 24 hours. The price increase reflects improved market sentiment following the recent consolidation period, as well as the growing investor interest in BCH. As Bitcoin fork, BCH provides faster transaction times and lower fees, giving it a distinctive value proposition. These benefits, along with the general resurgence of interest in the cryptocurrencies, are likely to have contributed to the recent increase in the BCH price. So BCH's recent price increase indicates a bright future for the token going forward. The cryptocurrency market is showing signs of life, and BCH, with its distinct value proposition, is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Furthermore, as more people turn to cryptocurrencies for transaction, BCH's fast transaction times and lower fees makes it an attractive option for the users. With these factors in play, BCH has the potential to maintain its uptrend in the near future going forward. That's what the analysts have said. As of now, BCH was trading at $192 with a market cap of $4 billion. Synthetics over the past 24 hours has surged around 19% and was trading at around $2.32. So this price jump can be attributed to the several factors. First, it reflects an overall positive sentiments in the market. We have seen Bitcoin and the other major cryptocurrencies moving higher. And second, it is indicative of the growing investor interest in the Synthetics platform. As a leading player in the DeFi space, Synthetics allows users to create and trade synthetic assets, representing real-world assets like commodities, stocks, and even other cryptocurrencies. Interestingly, this unique functionality, combined with the growing prominence of the DeFi projects, has likely contributed to the uptick in the SNX price. That's what the analysts have said. Moving on, David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer of the Ripple and one of the original architects of the XRP ledger, has addressed the recent rumors surrounding Ripple's alleged plan to buy back 10 billion XRP tokens, which is equivalent to 10% of its token supply under the current market price, which is worth $5 billion. Schwartz clarified that the Ripple engaged in XRP purchase, but it is not aware of the specific buyback plans. He also highlighted that there is no official source supporting these rumors. These rumors were first reported by the Crypto Alert, but gained traction in the XRP community, with the prominent voices commenting. Ripple's XRP purchases are not secret. Ripple's financial reports show open market transactions to ensure an adequate supply of XRP for on-demand liquidity services. The company limits XRP purchase and sources to minimize market exposures, and with 41.9 billion XRP tokens, Ripple facilitates various financial services and maintains a significant presence in the XRP ecosystem. XRP was seen trading at $0.4, down 1.11% in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of $25 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.